Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back over to the channel. So we just got a package in. This came from eBay. This is going to be a tailgate handle cover. So basically what this is my tailgate handle is that ABS, that cheap plastic stuff. So what we did is right here. Let me see if I can open it up for you. You can see it. All right. So let's see what we got here. It looks like there's two pieces. Alright, so it looks like we got this right here. So this is the actual cover. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, see that? Gloss black. And then this is going to be the tailgate, the lever part that releases it. That's gonna be right here. So here we go. That's what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and install this on the back of the F150, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so this is what I'm talking about, guys. Right here, the plastic ABS plastic trim piece that we're gonna go ahead and swap out. Or we're not gonna swap, we're gonna put the overlay on it so it gets the gloss black look like the Platinums or the Lariats have. I think it's gonna complete the exterior look of the truck. So let's go ahead and get this test fitted and see what's up. All right, so just got this piece on, and as you can see, it makes a huge difference. Let's go ahead and put the lever on. Just pressing it down, it had adhesive tape. Looks good. Let's go ahead and put the second lever on. All right, so just got that put on. I actually had to take it off because I went to go open the tailgate handle and it would not open. It was getting stuck on this. So it was getting stuck right here when I went to go open it. So I actually had to take it off and push this piece up higher just so I can get the tailgate to open. But now it's able to open. So that is how it looks. Just been pushing it down. I had to take it off and put it back on. Then it was the wrong way. But now it looks like everything is good. And actually the fitment is very good. The fitment is amazing. So here's the back. Oh yeah. Here's the side right here. Gloss black. Just like the rest of the truck. And so now when I go ahead and open it, it opens and closes. Yeah, so I went ahead and put it on, and then it wasn't opening. I was like, oh shoot, no. And I just took it off, redid it. Hopefully the adhesive is fine. It wasn't on too long, so hopefully it's fine. And I'm just gonna go ahead and press it down a little bit more. Okay. So there we go. Take this off. This is all the adhesive. So let me show you what it looks like from far away. And the only trims that actually have that painted are the Limiteds or the Platinums. Every other trim is a matte textured black. Ours is a gloss black. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below and leave a like so that YouTube will share this with other people. I think it looks great. Makes the truck look a little bit more high-end. Truck coming together very nicely. So, like I said, leave a comment down below and we'll catch y'all next video. Peace.